Wow, it's super hot here.
In the terminal.
I was just about to vlog.
This serves as a general boarding announcement for...
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's video. So I'm currently in the airport right now. I have a flight from Fort Lauderdale to Orlando in like 3 hours. I'm going to Orlando for Playlist Live, which is it's like a YouTube convention thing, kind of like VidCon, Playlist DC. You guys definitely know about it. I made so many videos about like DC and stuff, but yeah, it's like a 3-day convention and I'm super excited. And yeah, so I haven't been to Orlando in like literally 18 years, so I'm so excited and I'm ready to make some really cool vlogs, so stay tuned.
Attention, final call for customers traveling on flight.
And I'll see you guys in a second. So I don't know if I said this a little bit ago, but I have a 3-hour layover here in Fort Lauderdale, so I have to make a call in like 8 minutes. I'm gonna get some food. I'm super hungry. I might get some Starbucks because I'm super tired as well. Yeah. Alright guys, I just landed in Orlando.
At 381, Nashville 13.
Oh yeah, get it all.
Yeah. Oh, I can see myself a little bit. What was your name?
Look at this. I don't know, I love these trees and all of this,
yeah.
The scenery. Krista though.
Oh, Krista.
That's why I thought you were calling me Chris, because that is about like
oh, that's funny. Yeah, Chris. Oh wow, Chris and Krista. Wow, this hotel's huge. There's like parties at night and like, ooh, it's crazy.
I want to be here.
I know, there's some
jealous.
Oh shit, okay.
Oh, it's cleared out.
Okay, that's good. I literally, watch, I like already recognize people now. Do I? Okay, there's Aaron.
Hey,
so I didn't record in the hotel earlier, like vlog, but it's super nice, it's so big, so I'm just gonna show you guys the hotel right now. Here's the sign. There's a couple revolving doors. Damn, did I kick everybody out? The hotel was popping before. Yeah, we're having problems checking in. They wouldn't like let us check in until 5 a.m. So well, that looks like a drone shot.
No.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, we're fucking going! Help!
Don't jump. Wait, and then it just drops.
Fuck that.
Tower.
Hi guys.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Playlist Live Orlando Day 1. Yesterday we had a really hard time checking in. We actually wound up checking in at like 5 a.m. Oh, I'm vlogging. And we literally checked in at 5 a.m. because the hotel situation was like screwed up. But yeah, it was really interesting. I didn't really record much about like me showing up because it was a little hectic and crazy, but we're here now and we finally checked into our hotel room. I went to bed at 5:30. We woke up at like 10:30, so I'm so tired right now. I got changed and then we're, I guess, gonna get something to eat right now and hang out with people. There's a network called Broadband TV that I emailed just to see like what they could do, and I was like, hey, I'm at Playlist Live. Like, I'd love to meet up just to see, like, you know, what kind of things they could do for me. And they emailed me back and they're like, oh, what's your phone number and stuff, so I might be meeting with them sometime today. So that's really exciting. So yeah, I didn't really record anything yesterday, but there's a little canteen area where you can, I guess, get food 24/7. It's super expensive food, but...
Say hi. Oh, hi.
What up?
What's up, vlog?
What's up? Yeah, we're gonna go to Starbucks, get something to drink, because I'm so tired right now. Is that the line for Starbucks?
I don't need that.
Oh no. Damn, this hotel is massive. Oh, what up? Hey!
That was so loud.
How are you? That's so funny. I'm vlogging. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Oh my god.
I earned short too. No. The girl with the gap.
So I think tomorrow night there's gonna be like a party of a whole bunch of people over here. There's gonna be lights and everything, and then up there where the DJ booth is, there's like I guess the creator spot, which, you know, we're gonna try to finesse our way in there. Austin and I, we're going to get hopefully our badges right now. I guess this is where the actual convention tomorrow and the next day it's gonna be, in this like little area. So that's crazy. This looks sick. Okay, I was afraid this was happening. They said like, oh, come back in like at 3:30 or whatever. So yeah, that really sucks. So I guess there's gonna be a huge line outside of like the Insight passes and the normal passes, so we might just come back like really late tonight. I just realized I never officially did a hotel room tour, but I'll do one like later on when we come back. So, yeah, Ricky, okay. So we're going to go down to Aaron and I haven't introduced you to my vlog.
No.
I mean, you were my vlog in DC.
What's good, guys? I'm back with again. I'm back at it again. But this time I'm vlogging myself. Hey.
So yeah, we're gonna go to the lobby. We're just like chilling out and just, you know, I don't know, walking around and trying to meet. I want to like meet people.
I met my first supporter.
And network. You did?
Yeah, I did. She actually got my autograph. I was so freaking shocked.
Really? Did she come up to you?
Yeah, I was in Starbucks though.
And she was like, what'd she say?
Hi, it's Gucci Aaron. I'm like, hi.
Oh my God.
She was like, can I have your autograph? I'm like, yeah.
That's amazing.
Like, oh, so awesome.
I've never had that happen. I have had like 2 people ask for my picture, but that was only because I was with like one of my friends who's big, and they were like, they asked him for a picture, and it was at VidCon, and they were like, and I was with him, so they're like, can we get your picture too? And I was like, sure. It was really funny. But yeah, okay, so we're just gonna go to the lobby and chillax and do some random stuff. So yeah.
Hey guys.
So we're gonna go get something to eat at the food truck. It's already like 4 p.m. and I didn't eat anything today because there's a lot going on, and it's also humid as hell outside right now. There's outside of the hotel.
Yo, what's up, vlog? We're just hopping over the. Alright, buddy. We're just you know, hopping over the fence. We just got done.
We just
this is dope. Just got done a photo shoot, taking some pictures. You dig?
Yeah, I was just taking this photo. We're gonna go pick up our badges right now.
That's a fact.
You fell like.
Oh my god.
I'm just. Oh my god, did you crack it?
Who's excited for Playlist Live? That guy is. I'm gonna be in his vlog. I'm so excited. That's gonna be so great. Everyone.
Alright, so we just got our badges. I have mine right here. And I guess we have free lemonade. We can get some free lemonade. Hello.
Okay, so
hi guys.
This room is lit. I don't know if you guys can see. Literally, like it's lit. Why'd you have to just ruin it? I'm kidding. Okay, anyway, there's like literally he is amazing because he just killed it with the, what are these called, the lights?
The LED light strips.
LED light strips. And now we got double vlog going on. Same cameras. You dig?
Not Sony.
Oh, that's Sony. I lied. But yeah.
What's up, guys? So I just got back to the room. I didn't vlog anything.
There's a little.
Oh, this lighting is so weird right
in the room are fun.
It is.
Look at that.
How cool is that though? For real?
Isn't that sick?
Isn't that sick?
That looks dope on camera.
That looks
doesn't it? It looks
amazing
like we're
on
living
camera.
And then,
Hey,
and
you
then
just gotta add party music.
No, look.
It's gonna be right in the back of his thing.
Ready?
You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is buddy shoes. Hit the floor, I can get them both. I don't dance now, I make money moves. Transition. Bang, transition. You know we're listening to the music. We're about to get copyrighted for that. You already know. Alright, so you know we're just chilling. Playlist. I had to do the transition. And now, okay, bye. That's how you get kicked out of the hotel.
Gucci flip-flops, Frankie hit you, bitch in the side. This a big wife, diamond dripping off of it.
Everybody get your motherfucking roll. I don't show you, she doesn't want to so.
Oh, hey, look. That's my Instagram. Oh, you did it? Yeah. Oh, that's you. Say hi.
You guys?
Really? The Canon G7?
Yeah, Mark 2 though.
Oh, mine's a Mark 1, so yours is better.
You just take some red.
Leave his balls on blue.
So none of those balls come through.
Okay guys, so we are outside right now trying to get to a party. Yeah. Yeah. Your bitch like I'm I take 10% like I rap her. No faking my tits, but I'll check her. If you're a bitch, you may burn like her neck hurt. I can count higher than 21. My bank is I get your money up. Gold in my blunts to be rolling up. Red on my shoes and we pulling up.
You used to drop them panties, now you drowning in them panties. Got my name all in your mouth. Yeah, your teeth made me cry.
She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love
my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. I think I even got it.
We gotta make sure.
And she's in the that is so funny. Okay, so these girls, so you saw the lights from downstairs.
Yeah.
And you were trying to find this room and you found it.
We went upstairs and we went through somebody else's room and looked at their balcony to find
To see this room. That is so great. That is so amazing.
Are you guys in it?
Guys, we're getting in the creator party.
Alright, we're on the way. Look, they're in it. Let's go.
Holy shit, they are! Oh. So I just said this 20 times, so this is the creator party. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I just met these two girls and they sing. She's vlogs and films and travels, and you sing.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, what should I sing?
Sing me a bedtime story.
A bedtime story.
I'll sing some Alicia Keys.
Okay. Ooh, I'm excited.
I'm at the bottom.
People live for fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Oh my God. Some people live for the power.
That's good. That's
I'm tired.
Okay guys, so we are just hanging out in the hotel room right now. I'm so like happy that we got into the creator party. It was insane. Luckily, I got a pass to get in. There's another creator party tomorrow night and it's the same passes, so we're gonna go tomorrow night and I'm very excited. Also didn't show you guys an outfit of the day today because I was gonna do that for all 3 days. Give you like an OOTD for the day. So it's this shirt. Just regular pants. I had my shoes, Adidas shoes, and then like this shirt. So it's just, yeah. I mean, you guys saw it obviously, but I'm gonna do an outfit of the day for tomorrow and the next day. So I'm gonna end this vlog. I didn't end the vlog yesterday, so Sorry about that. So it's gonna be yesterday and today, probably combined. This is just day one of Place CC, or Place Orlando. So yeah, we're just literally chilling in the hotel room, and yeah. So I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a good night.
Coming up the bench while I'm coming up the court.